Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon and let me give you a quick real-time update after my tireless research to give you the finest. Today we're diving deep into a major development that could reshape the future of Ethereum's scalability. Before we jump in, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a crucial update like this one. Your support helps me bring this research to you, so what's the big news? Ethereum's own co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, has just put a spotlight on a major bottleneck for ZK-EVMs. He's identified something called the modular exponentiation precompile, or MODXP, as the single most unfriendly component for zero-knowledge proof systems. In simple terms, think of it as a specialized fast lane on the Ethereum highway. It's great for specific tasks, but it's causing massive traffic jams for the next generation of scaling solutions, the ZK-rollups. Vitalik explained that when zk-rollups try to process transactions that use this MODXP function, the complexity explodes by up to 50 times compared to a normal block. This is a huge problem because zk-rollups are our best bet for making Ethereum faster and cheaper for everyone. This slowdown makes them less efficient and more expensive, holding back their adoption. So what's the proposed solution? It's a bold one. Vitalik is suggesting a new Ethereum Improvement Proposal, an EIP, to essentially replace this precompile. The idea is to swap out this specialized complex code with standard EVM native code. Now here's the interesting part. This change would likely make transactions that use this function more expensive in the short term. The gas costs for those specific operations will go up. It's a trade-off. Vitalik is arguing that we should accept slightly higher gas costs now for the massive long-term benefit of better compatibility with zero-knowledge proofs and much faster, more efficient ZK-rollups. He also pointed out that the primary use for MODXP today is for things like RSA encryption and signing. He believes these can be handled more efficiently using newer snark-based methods, which are a type of zero-knowledge proof technology. This isn't just a small tweak, it's a call for a paradigm shift in how we handle cryptography on Ethereum. We are talking about moving away from older methods towards ones that are built for the zero-knowledge future. So why does this matter so much to you and me? First, ZK-EVM scalability. Zero-knowledge rollups are the key to unlocking Ethereum's true potential, allowing it to handle thousands of transactions per second. Removing bottlenecks like MODXP is absolutely critical to making this vision a reality. It means faster confirmation times and lower fees for all of us in the long run. Second, this highlights a major shift in Ethereum's design philosophy. The core developers are signaling that they're willing to prioritize long-term scalability and sustainability over short-term gas optimizations. They are playing the long game, building a foundation that's ZK-optimal, meaning it's designed to work seamlessly with zero-knowledge technology. Before we continue with the technical details and what this means for developers, if you're finding this breakdown useful, please take a moment to hit that like button. And if you have any questions so far, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Your engagement is what keeps this channel going. Alright, let's get a little more technical, but I'll keep it simple. What exactly is this MODXP precompile? In Ethereum, precompiles are like special-purpose tools built directly into the protocol to perform complex cryptographic operations very efficiently. The MODXP precompile at address 005 is a workhorse for things like RSA digital signatures. The problem is, while it's efficient on the main Ethereum chain, its internal workings are incredibly difficult to replicate inside a ZK proof system. Imagine trying to prove you built a complex machine without being able to show the internal parts. That's the challenge ZK-EVMs face with MODXP. They have to prove that this complex calculation was done correctly, and it creates a massive overhead, increasing the cost and time it takes to generate proofs for the rollup blocks. By replacing it with standard EVM code, which uses basic arithmetic, the process becomes much simpler to prove within a ZK circuit, leading to more efficient rollups. Of course, this change isn't without its challenges. The most immediate one, as Vitalik acknowledged, is the gas cost increase. Projects that heavily rely on RSA-based cryptography will need to weigh the increased costs against the benefits. Another major challenge is migration. Any decentralized application, bridge, or protocol currently using the MODXP precompile will need to update its smart contracts to comply with the new standard. This requires careful coordination and planning across the entire ecosystem. And finally, this is a significant protocol change. Any EIP to remove or alter a precompile has to go through rigorous discussion, testing, and consensus among core developers and the broader community. The transition needs to be managed perfectly to avoid disrupting existing applications and ensure backward compatibility where needed. So what should we be watching for next? First, the official publication of the EIP draft.
We'll be looking for its specific number, the proposed changes, and the new gas cost calculations. We should also keep an eye on the core developer meeting notes and blog posts from the Ethereum Foundation for discussions around this topic. It will also be fascinating to see how the major Layer 2 teams like Matter Labs, Scroll, and Polygon react and plan for this transition. The bottom line is this: Vitalik's comments are a huge deal. They signal a strategic pivot in Ethereum's architectural direction, prioritizing ZK friendliness to unlock the next level of scalability. While there are execution risks and challenges ahead, the potential reward is a more efficient, scalable, and future-proof Ethereum for everyone. This could be a defining moment for the adoption of ZK-rollups.
That's the real-time update for today. I hope this deep dive helped you understand this crucial development. If you enjoyed it and want more content like this, please smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading, and make sure that notification bell is on. Don't forget to comment with your questions or thoughts on this proposal. Thank you so much for watching.
My name is Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video with more of the finest research and updates.